Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video from One to Step, and in this video I'm going to show you how to promote TEMU products into your Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your computer, then search for TEMU. Then just simply open the website and open any of the products which you want to promote. But before that, make sure you have an affiliate account into TEMU. Then after that, just simply copy this link into your clipboard. Then after that, save the image of the product into your computer. Then after that, you just simply have to open your Pinterest account and there simply click to create pin option. Now after tapping into create pin, just simply select the image that you have downloaded just now from the TEMU site and enter a title which will grab the attention of buyer. Then after that, describe your product into this description box, then enter the link that you have copied into your clipboard before. Then after entering all these details, you just simply have to publish this content into your Pinterest profile. In this process, you just simply have to make sure the link you have copied is affiliation link in here. Then after this, just simply by publishing this, the product will be promoted through your Pinterest profile. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.